Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: available storage, assigned an App Store account, and a working network. First, free 500 MB or more so the update can unpack. This prevents partial installs. Next, make sure you're logged into the App Store and your payment method isn't blocking updates. Once done, restart the device to clear hanging processes and toggle Wi-Fi. If the store still stalls, switch to cellular briefly to rule out router issues. You should now perform the detailed steps that resolve stubborn failures. Force close the App Store app to clear queue downloads, then reopen and try updating a single app to observe behavior. If it still fails, sign out of your Apple ID, wait 10 seconds, and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Make sure the device OS is on the latest patch because many update problems stem from compatibility and system bugs. Install the patch, then retry the app update. You're in the final phase: finish the update or escalate. If one app refuses to update, delete it and reinstall from the App Store. This clears corrupted app data. If multiple apps fail, reset network settings to restore default DNS and Wi-Fi stacks. Remember, this removes saved networks. After completing these steps, verify updates succeed. If problems persist, gather error codes and device logs, then contact support so they can diagnose server or account issues with precise details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.